Have you ever noticed how the energy in your home mirrors the rhythm of your life? As the air turns crisp and the trees begin to shed their leaves, your home too craves a reset, a quiet shedding of clutter, a cleansing of chaos. Just as nature prepares for a restful winter, fall is your invitation to pause, reflect, and realign your surroundings with purpose and peace. But what if this seasonal shift wasn't just about decor or scented candles? What if decluttering could be your gateway to mental clarity, emotional release, and creative renewal? Inspired by the serene philosophies of Marie Kondo and the mindful stillness of Scandinavian interiors, fall cleaning is more than just a to-do list. It's a ritual, an act of self-respect and intention. While spring cleaning is about waking up, fall cleaning is about winding down with grace. This is the time to create space for stillness, inspiration, and the comforting rituals that define autumn. Let's begin with the general principle: the home should be a sanctuary, not a storage unit. Start by shifting your mindset. You're not just getting rid of things, you're making room for better focus, deeper rest, and meaningful living. Studies have shown that clutter increases cortisol levels and disrupts sleep. A calm space isn't a luxury, it's a necessity for a calm mind. Focus on transition zones first. Entryways, mudrooms, and catch-all corners often become visual clutter magnets. Replace summer baskets and flip-flops with neatly stored boots and woven bins for scarves and gloves. Incorporate hooks or trays to manage keys and mail. Keep it functional, but aesthetically pleasing. Then, move to visual surfaces. Coffee tables, countertops, and shelves are the emotional hotspots of your home. Remove what no longer serves you: outdated magazines, knickknacks, and unused appliances. In their place, consider intentional vignettes: a stack of well-loved books, a simple ceramic bowl, a sprig of dried eucalyptus. Let every object earn its space. Don't forget the closets. As you rotate summer wear for warmer layers, ask yourself what you genuinely wore last season. If it didn't make you feel good then, it probably won't now. Donate, sell, or repurpose. Your wardrobe should reflect who you are now, not who you used to be. Storage is not the enemy, but excess is. Use labeled bins and baskets for seasonal storage and invest in furniture with hidden compartments if possible. Every item in your home should have a place and a reason. Finally, infuse your freshly cleared space with autumnal warmth. Add a few earthy tone throws, textured cushions, and mood lighting to balance minimalism with comfort. Light a sandalwood or chai candle. Play a soft instrumental playlist in the background. The goal is not to strip your space of life, but to cultivate peace within it. So, as the world slows down and the days grow shorter, consider this: what emotional weight are you ready to release from your home and your heart?